My name's Angie and we had Banner Garage do our garage in May of 2017. So my husband and I had always talked about doing, cabinets, finishing the floor in previous houses. We just never did it. I guess it's really not a problem. It's like most people's garage. It can become a catch-all, and you don't necessarily worry about the garage, maybe like you'll worry about other parts inside your house. Even though it's a room you go in and out of every single day, it sometimes gets a little neglected. So we just thought, well, let's really start from scratch. We had nothing in the garage and finish the floor the way we wanted, and then figure out a way to do cabinets to solve a problem of seeing every single thing laying around and out. They have a certain locker setup you can do where you can put baseball, bags, and bats, and so all of that stuff is not laying all over the garage floor anymore. It's actually in this quote-unquote locker. So it's kind of nice for kids to have their stuff. It's your locker, you do it, but put it away. Put your stuff away. Well, he showed us a lot of pictures of garages he'd done in the past, which was very nice to be able to see and come up with certain solutions. And he worked very diligently with us to try to get the cabinetry figured out to where when we did move in, it was just going to be very easy to put things away. He communicated well. He came up with several different solutions, I guess, if you will, and kind of said, I can tweak these if need be, but if you like one of them, we'll go with it. And, being able to trust somebody, here's my garage code, come in and out as you need, things like that was very big for Jeff and I. Actually, as quick as it happened, very quick. One day and the floor's done. And that evening, he's like, you can drive on it. And I'm like, I don't know if I can. It's so pretty when it's first done. I'm like, are you sure? And he's like, Angie, you can park on it. You can park your car in the garage. So that surprised me how quick it happened. And then he had to order the cabinets, which the next week those were installed. So that was very easy. It's funny, people that come over and for whatever reason come in and out of the garage always comment on it, always have very positive comments about it, and are like, oh, we've been wanting to do this, or we know a neighbor that did this and we're wanting to do it, and it turned out wonderful. We love it.